Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Becky. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I wanted to show you guys where it is that I store my medications. In a previous video, I showed you guys my bathroom vanity organization and what it is that I keep inside of the medicine cabinet, which is not medications. So I wanted to follow up with this video and just show you guys the location of our medication, band-aids, and things like that. So right behind me over here, I'm in my kitchen right now, and in this cabinet right here is where we keep our medications and ointments and things like that. So I thought I would show you guys inside what that looks like. So if you open up the cabinet, inside I have these two teal colored baskets, and I got these baskets from the Dollar Tree for very inexpensive, for $1 each, I believe, and I really like them. I think they release these during the springtime is when you'll see these pretty colors with these patterns on them. So that's what we use to store our medications inside of, and we don't have a whole lot of medications. So in here I just have lotion and some chapstick, insect repellent, I have some sunscreen, I have hydrogen peroxide just to clean any wounds. We also keep our dog's medication in here as well. So in here we just have topical ointments like Orajel, Benadryl creams, cortisone creams. And this is where we keep all of our band-aids, which I need to label the outside of this Ziploc bag. So all I do is just purchase Ziploc storage bags, and these are the 48 count storage quart. So like for the freezer. So these are the ones that I use because they are more durable, they're thicker, and they're a little bit larger, so I can fit more things inside of them. So that's all that I use to store our medications and bandages. And in the other basket we have some Delsum, we have pain reliever, so we have some Motrin, some NyQuil. In here I just keep measuring cups, thermometers, we have a pill cutter in here, so that's all the things that you would use to measure out the medication. So that's in a baggie. So I just compartmentalize everything so that it's not just all bundled up in there. I have everything in a separate baggie. So what I do is I get the medication after I purchase it, and it will be in a box like that. I take the medication and insert out, and I just flatten the box out, and on the box is the expiration date and the directions for taking the medications, and I keep this inside of the Ziploc bag along with the medication, and that stays in there, and it is nice and compartmentalized in there. It's not all over the place, and it does not take up any room at all, just a smidgen of room. It just takes up a little bit of space. And I just file it in there with whatever other medications that we have, and you can see that it's just completely flat. And if you don't want to keep the whole entire box, I would just cut out where the expiration date is at and just keep the insert in there with the directions and warnings on it if you don't want to keep the whole entire box. So that's another idea. And I just file them in there, and it just stays nice and neat. And I just, like if you would look inside of a file cabinet, it's the same concept. You just look for what it is that you're needing. Another tip that I have is that instead of keeping like boxes like Band-Aid boxes, take the Band-Aids out, put them inside of the Ziploc bag, and just throw away the box. That way you don't have anything bulky inside of the medication cabinet. Get them out of the box, and I will just toss them in the bag like that. And now our Band-Aid bag is full again, and I just put it in the basket and it's good to go. And that's how I store our medications. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you got some tips and ideas for organizing your medicine cabinet. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and I can't wait to chat with you again. Bye!